Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage predictive text on this Samsung. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down, then choose General Management. Now you need to click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on this blue sweater next to Predictive Text. As you can see after that, Predictive Text is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same, now grey sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!